Hi, next thing on our list is these rules. We can, in tiling window managers, sometimes make rules. In some of them it's super complicated, so we say let's omit them because we do not feel it's that important. But some of our users do have this workflow in mind and say, okay, look, number one should be all that's concerning for browsers. Number two should be all about editing. Number three should all about Inkscape, GIMP, and so on. So all the tags, the numbers, the workspaces should be defined by a rule. Say, if I want to browse the net, then it's going to be on workspace 1, etc. Spotify is gonna be on tag 10, etc. So if you're that kind of person, say, that's my workflow, that's what I want to have, this is what you need. You need to say, okay, let's apply this rule. This is of course saying no ruling, and then we say yes, there are rules, and we can focus on it. If the Firefox is launched, that we are going to focus on that particular application. So there's a long list of all browsers with and without capitals, and it's all important. So this rule, this class, is actually figured out with the application xprop. So if you type xprop, enter, and then click on something that you want to know about, then you know that this called is a class. Class is called atom, and it's the last one you need, not this one. The capital A is the one you need. So you don't need to put the small atom in there, it's only the last one you require. Okay, so in order to test this, well, we need to actually reload it, but there is a catch, and that's always interesting to include a catch, a difficulty. So this rule should apply to Firefox. It's not yet saved. When I do Ctrl Alt F, Firefox opens here on workspace 1. Agreed is normal. I go to 6, Ctrl Alt F, it opens on workspace 6. There's no rule applied yet. When I going to save this, so Control Save has been done, Super Shift R, this is going to be reloaded. 225, this rule line is now active. We say go to tag 1 if Firefox and all the browsers open up. So if I go to another tag and I say Ctrl Alt F, it's going to load up. And you say this thing is broken. This should go to number 1. No, you did not say that. You say go to tag 1. In one of our previous videos, we've decided to switch around our tags. We said we want to have this one as tag. Here you say something different. Here you say you want to have tag 1. So what is it now? Is it the other one, this one, or the other one? So if we do a reload, this tag does exist. Let's wait for it, like this. Delete this one, Ctrl Alt F, nothing appears. It's broken. No, it's not broken. It's your workflow. You said it needs to go here. So it went there. So that's how you change things. But since everything is made in numbers, maybe it's the best way to say, okay, you know what, I'll set it back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Let's go back and move to this guy, save. And now don't do Super Shift R, let's do Super Shift R, but don't do it. Why? Because you get this. So Super X, log out, log in. Now the numbers are correct at the top, and we can go to number 6, do an Ctrl Alt F. Firefox is not loading. Ctrl Alt Vivaldi is not working. Ctrl Alt G is not working. None of these browsers are working, and then you go to workspace 1 and they say, oh, okay, it is working. Right, so that's how to proceed if you want to focus certain applications on certain workspaces. All right, cheers.